Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best team collaboration application, and that application name is Weje. So this application is very important if you are working as a collaborative one group, one team, or your company colleagues. So how to use it and where exactly available such kind of facilities, I provide you detailed demonstration entire features of the Weje. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and simply put it here WEJE. The first link is display here. I already put it the link in same video description. Look at this here, weje.io, all-in-one online team collaboration tool, a new tool to organize and share anything on virtual online board, and so many options are available. So we can go through one by one. Simply click here and look at this. This is a framework of the Weje. So many options, facilities are available. They are elaborate here very easily. Look at this here, 40,000 plus people are nowadays using this Weje board or Weje framework. Some like our template. So template from like this, you can see here politics, economic, social, technology. So you can put it here as a sticker format in your computer screen. Before start anything, we can sign up first of all, and then I will explain you one by one. So simply sign up. As a sign up point of view, you can go through your email address or simply put it here email address and your password, but I go through directly on my email address because of upcoming days I am using just only Weje framework for my collaboration of team. So look at this. This is the framework of Weje, and my dashboard is going on here. My idea comes here. So first options come here, favorite. So look at this here, favorite, all boards, my boards, share boards, and delete. So I just simply click here, favorite, and no board here yet. So simply add board here. Which favorite plan you want added here, you can select here, like action plan. So as an action plan, you want change this one, you can change action action project plan, create. So this is my action project plan, and automatically all informations are comes here. They are providing as a demo, like action 1, step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4, responsibility of department, employer, resources needed, progressive index, benchmarking, completion data, endorse related information. They already provided as a template. That one is quite amazing, and you can accordingly add here also some other tag also, like suppose for example, hello, I am Research Rocks, like this. So if you want add them column, row, so such kind of facilities are available. If you want delete, so you just simply delete. So this is action plan. You can put it your action plan, and all data store in your user ID. So you can very easily access wherever you want, even your smartphone also. Next, my all boards are automatically comes here. Suppose for example here I'm clicking all boards. So already 2 boards are there. Welcome Weje related informations are available. If you want change some labels related facilities are also available. And then suppose one of the best here is my action plan. So I can share this action plan very easily, some third person email address. So I just simply send of myself researchrocks9@gmail.com. so if user is not found here, so I just simply copy this link and I can share very easily like this, and someone are access the particular link, so he or she automatically subscribe this particular plan. So look at this here. Here is a Research Rocks and here is a Sangram Singh. So I can collaborate here two of the person very easily. Owner I am, and someone are just only can view, and you can give them permission as a edit format also. So setting related options also available here. Owner by label, you can put it any other label, so accordingly put it the label. Sharing options are available. Pages related informations are available, but now all pages are empty of my. So here board and sharing board, how many board I shared, so those informations are come here. So it's very simple. If you are facing some problem, so you can ask here the question, they are definitely help you. Otherwise you can write email. So accordingly, if you are facing the problem, they are helping you. I just simply click again here, going to the account information. So this is my account related information, first name, last name. My current plan is free, but if you are subscribed, so I just simply click here and let's see what exactly plan they are providing us. So look at this here, subscription personal plan going to the like a $5 per month. It's very cheap price. Just simply put it here, your debit card, credit card related numbers, expiry date, CVV code, name of the card and country of your region, and then simply subscribe. So very easily subscribe and receive all features full month, and you can share number of people for this your board and other related information. That one is quite amazing and surprise for me because of your all data is available here, and you can very easily share your colleagues. So all colleagues are put it your own information this particular board, and everyone are accessing for the making presentation, or so many advanced facilities are available here. So that point of view, it's quite amazing for the Weje. Some another options also available here. Suppose for example you want delete this one, you can edit, yeah, move to trash, very simple. If you want delete something, so the board is directly going to the delete, or if you want restore this one, so you can very easily restores also here. So the board is automatically restored. Such kind of facilities are available here. You can create as a different project management related board and use those board accordingly as each and every different teams. So action plan, analysis related, diagram, soil board related, which board relate on your expertise, like education related plans also available, presentation related plans are available here, planning related plans are available here, which plan suitable for you. So accordingly you can make, like here my month related plans are automatically comes here. So that one is quite amazing, like every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, like 5 working days, and each working day you can put it here your meeting, your presentation, some other hangout related time slot you are already provided. So accordingly those plan comes here in a monthly plan changing section, and then that one is really amazing. You want upload something here, so you can very easily upload here, select here, and just simply I uploaded here one of the pictures like this. So accordingly you can upload here like this. The picture I am uploading here with very simple. You want put it here some text, so you can put it text also here like this, and then you can zoom out, zoom in. Such kind of facilities are available here. Some star, some other rectangular score related options also available here. Some diagrams, if you want put it some diagram or graphical representation. List related options also available here. You can put it here list. If you want delete this one, you can very easily delete this one. Select first of all and then delete. So it's very simple and easy going on this particular platform, like a Weje platform. You can access the Weje platform in your smartphone device or tablets also. Very simple. You can visit, sign up and make your own monthly plan, collaboration plan, or which plan you are suitable for you, and then use. Really helpful tool for the industrial people and students. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.